Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss about the allotropic form of the phosphorus. That is the part 5th class. Here is the what is the meaning of the allotropic? The phenomenon of the elements existed more than having a physical properties or more than physical forms and having a same chemical property. It is also known as a allotropic. For example, in 50A group elements existed more than physical properties or more than physical forms. For example, nitrogen phosphorus is the non-metal, that is the physical property, and arsenic antimony is the metallites. Next, remaining bismuth is the metal. Those 5 elements existed more than physical properties or more than physical forms and having a same chemical property. It is called allotropic. So here is the, for example, nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. Those 5 elements are existed in 58 group elements. Nitrogen, phosphorus is the non-metals. Arsenic, antimony is the metallites, and bismuth is the metal. Those 5 elements existed different physical properties or different physical forms and having a same chemical property. That is the same chemical property NH2NP3. Those outermost cell consider only 5 electrons. So all elements having the outermost cell consider only 5 electrons. That is the same chemical property. The phenomenon of the elements having a more than physical properties or more than physical forms and having a same chemical property, it is also known as a allotropic. Here it says that the allotropic forms of the phosphorus. Here is the phosphorus. Here is the phosphorus elements existed more than physical forms. Those are 3 main allotropic form of the phosphorus atom. That's a white phosphorus, a red phosphorus, and black phosphorus. White and red and black phosphorus. 3 allotropic forms are the major important in allotropic form of the phosphorus. That is the first one, white phosphorus. Here is the white phosphorus. It is a poisonous. It is a poisonous translucent white box solid. The white phosphorus is a translucent white box is solid, which is insoluble in water but only soluble in carbon disulfide. That is the physical property. That is the first property, white phosphorus. It is a poisonous translucent. It is a poisonous translucent and white box solid. It existed solid nature. White box solid nature and having a poisonous. It is which is insoluble in water molecule but only soluble in carbon disulfide. But here is the CH2, that is also known as a carbon disulfide. And the next property, it existed chemiluminescence. That is the, it glow in the dark. Glow in the dark, that is also known as a chemiluminescence. Here is the second property, it exhibit or consists the chemiluminescence of the white phosphorus. That is the, it glow in the dark. It is also known as a chemiluminescence. And the next property, it produces the phosphine. That is also known as a PS3. PS3 also called as a phosphine. When dissolved in the boiling of the sodium hydroxide solution in inert atmosphere. The phosphine is produced from the heating of the sodium hydroxide. That is also known as a caustic soda. The boiling nature of the sodium hydroxide in the inert atmosphere. Then form of the phosphine. It says that it produces, the white phosphorus produces the phosphine. The white phosphorus produces the phosphine when dissolved in the boiling of the concentrated sodium hydroxide solution. Here it is the white phosphorus produce the phosphine. When dissolved in the concentration sodium hydroxide solution in inert atmosphere, then here is the form of the phosphine. For example, here is the white phosphorus P4 molecule. When dissolved in the sodium hydroxide solution, then form of the phosphine PS3 and sodium hypophosphite NaS2PO2, that is also known as a sodium hypophosphite. Here is the reactant, next one is the product. Next one, here is the P4 molecule. Here is the 1 mole of the P4 molecule. Here is the P4 means that here is the phosphorus existed tetraatomic nature. So it is right that P4. So here is the phosphine. Here is the phosphine PS3. Here is the phosphorus on dissolved in the boiling of the NaOH solution. Then here is the form of phosphine and sodium hypophosphite. Next, another one. It is more reactivity and less stability than the red and black phosphorus. White phosphorus is the more reactivity and less stable than the red and black phosphorus. Here is the structure of the white phosphorus. Here is the white phosphorus, the P4 molecule bonding with the 4 phosphorus atom. That is the desiccated tetrahedral P4 molecule. Desiccated tetrahedral P4 molecule held by the van der Waals forces. So it consists of the 60 degrees centigrade and desiccated tetrahedral molecule of held by the van der Waals forces. So white phosphorus is the more reactive than the red phosphorus and black phosphorus and less stability. Why the white phosphorus is the more reactive than the red and black phosphorus? Here is the white phosphorus consists the bond angle is 60 degrees centigrade and desiccated tetrahedral P4 molecule 1, 2, 3, 4. A desiccated tetrahedral P4 molecule held by the van der Waals forces. So here is the white phosphorus is the more reactive than the red phosphorus and black phosphorus. Next, another property. The white phosphorus burning with the oxygen, then form of the white fumes, that is also known as a phosphorus pentoxide. Here is the P4 molecule burning with the oxygen, burning with the atmosphere consider oxygen, then here is the form of the phosphorus pentoxide. That is the properties of the white phosphorus. Next one, red phosphorus. Here is the second one is the allotropic form of the red phosphorus. The white phosphorus on heating with at 573 Kelvin. The white phosphorus is heating on at 573 Kelvins in inert atmosphere for the several days, then give the red phosphorus. Then here is the red phosphorus is obtained by the white phosphorus is heating. White phosphorus is heating at 573 kelvins in inert atmosphere. In the several days, then give with the red phosphorus. Next, second property, it is odorless and non-poisonous substance. Here is the white phosphorus is the poisonous, but here is the non-poisonous substance. And odorless, red phosphorus is the odorless and non-poisonous substance which is an insoluble in water and carbon disulfide. But white phosphorus insoluble in water but soluble in carbon disulfide. But here is the red phosphorus is which is insoluble in water and carbon disulfide. Here is the red phosphorus. Red phosphorus is insoluble in water and carbon disulfide, but white phosphorus insoluble in water but soluble at carbon disulfide. That is the differences with the white phosphorus and red phosphorus. Next, another one. The red phosphorus is less reactive than the white phosphorus. Here is the red phosphorus is less reactive than the white phosphorus and does not glow with the dark. Here is the red phosphorus says that it is only less reactive than the white phosphorus and does not give with the glow in the dark. Here is the red phosphorus is the less reactive than the white phosphorus because of the red phosphorus is a polymeric structure. Here is the phosphorus atom form of the long chains, that is also known as a polymeric unit which consists of the tetrahedral P4 molecule. So here is the red phosphorus is the less reactive than the white phosphorus because of the P4 molecule, the P4 polymer units which is consisted of the tetrahedral units of the P4 molecule. So here is the red phosphorus is less reactive than the white phosphorus. Here is the phosphorus atoms and phosphorus atom a bonding with the another phosphorus atom to form of a long chain system and form of the polymeric units, that is also known as a tetrahedral P4 molecule. So it is also known as a less reactive than the white phosphorus. That is the differences with the white phosphorus and red phosphorus. Remaining another one, black phosphorus. There is on several layers. The red phosphorus is heating with the 873 Kelvin temperature, then give with the alpha black and beta black phosphorus. That is also known as the black phosphorus. Next one, black phosphorus. Allotropic form of the black phosphorus of third one is the black phosphorus. It is two form of the black phosphorus, that is also known as the alpha black phosphorus and beta black phosphorus. The black phosphorus consists two forms. Those are first one is the alpha black phosphorus and beta black phosphorus. There is the first one on heating of the red phosphorus. On heating of the red phosphorus 8037 kelvins in a sealed tube, then obtain the alpha black phosphorus. Here is the alpha black phosphorus formed by the on heating of the red phosphorus at 803 kelvins at the sealed tube, then here is the form of alpha black phosphorus. Here is the alpha black phosphorus is formed by the on heating of the red phosphorus at 8037 kelvins, 803 kelvins at sealed tube, then obtained with the alpha black phosphorus. The alpha black phosphorus has a monoclinic crystals and supplemented with the air. Here is the alpha black phosphorus has a monoclinic crystals. It existed as a monoclinic crystals and supplemented with the air. Next another one. Here is the beta black phosphorus is formed by the on heating of the white phosphorus. Beta black phosphorus is formed by the on heating of the white phosphorus at 473 kelvins and high pressure. Then here is the form of the beta black phosphorus. It has a layer structure. Beta black phosphorus has a layer structure. That is the properties of the alpha black and beta black phosphorus. Here is the third one is the black phosphorus. The black phosphorus existed or consists the two forms. That is the first one is the alpha forms and beta forms. First one is the alpha black phosphorus and second one is the beta black phosphorus. Alpha black phosphorus is formed by the on heating of the white phosphorus at 803 kelvins. 803 kelvins at sealed tube, then obtained with the alpha black phosphorus. The alpha black phosphorus has a monoclinic or rhombohedral structure and supplemented with the air. That is the properties of the alpha black phosphorus. And the remaining second form is the beta black. Beta black phosphorus is formed by the on heating of the white phosphorus at 473 kelvins and high pressure, then form of beta black phosphorus. The beta black phosphorus has a layer structure. That is the properties of the white phosphorus and red phosphorus and white phosphorus. Thank you, all of you.